Welcome to Clontuskert School.
For Ireland's future's mind, we have made our school even more sustainable. We already have solar panels in our school. This produces 42% of our school's electricity. In Minecraft, we installed LED lighting all around the school, which will save energy and funds. We have recycling, landfill and compost bins everywhere. We have an environmentally friendly sewage treatment plant. At our school garden, we sow vegetables, flowers, and have composters and beehives. This is part of our outdoor classroom. Our school bus is electric and runs on solar energy. We have installed a safe cycle path from the church to the school so that we can start a cycle bus for our students. We have electric charging points for teacher and visitor cars.
Our world is built in a flat world. This meant that we needed to code a 4-block height grass tower that we stretched across the whole parish to give us more building options. This meant we could build down as well as up. The other world landscapes would have interfered with what we wanted to build. We used a /fill command which quickened the build.
Check out our twin wind turbines. They are taller than the average wind turbines and are vertical axis to generate more electricity, so they supply not only the school but the whole parish with electricity. The extra energy is being sold back into national grid. The money we earn from this is being donated to charities to help students across the world receive an education under Sustainable Development Goal 4, quality education.
Welcome to Clintonoskirk Parish Church.
This is our sustainable church and community pitch, with solar panels, charging points, playground, coffee shop, walking track and flower patio. There are wind turbines here too. We have a new modern clubhouse for the community to gather. We built irrigation pipes under the pitch. This both drains the pitch and supplies water to our community. Allotment gardens which supply vegetables and fruit to each family in the parish.
To rethink how the old school can function for the future, we have turned it into a kids' museum where the community can gather. Clontuskert history is told at the museum with VR and AR experiences. We also have a library underground. We built an aquarium filled with beautiful fish and visitors can learn about the fish here. There is an attic with large windows to maximise the views of Clontuskert Parish. This is our new Clontuskert Observatory. At night, the balcony can be used for stargazing. Because Clontuskert is in the country, it is a perfect place for astronomy, away from the light pollution in towns and cities.